So if you're looking for legitimate, flexible, remote work, I have 7 companies hiring right now, plus a bonus extra one I'm going to give you at the end of the video for AI remote rater and data annotation work. And listen, there's no coding involved in a computer. You have a smartphone and an attention to detail, you can do this work. And I'm going to give you some helpful steps to help you with each of these companies' onboarding process. Quick reminder, I'm here on the front lines doing this work, and because of that, I've signed NDA. So I can't show you internal dashboards, but what I can do is give you a roadmap to help you get hired by these companies. Company number 1, Telus Digital, also formerly known as Telus International, or you could find them as Telus International AI Data Solutions, depending on where you're doing your query from. And they're a global titan in the search evaluation. What do they look for? Deep local cultural knowledge. The frontline reality, to get in, they've got a rigorous qualification exam with numerous pages in the guidelines. But don't skim them. Study them like a final exam. And if you pass, this is one of the most stable supplemental income streams out there. Usually they pay between $15 and $17 an hour in US. Company number 2 is Data Annotation Tech. This is a favorite because it's fully autonomous. You can log in and work whenever you want. What do they look for? Exceptional writing and chain of thought reasoning. And their generalists can earn maybe $20 to $30 an hour. Now the frontline reality, your entry ticket is a tough initial assessment. Slow down, double check your grammar, because one typo could potentially disqualify you. Company number 3, CrowdGen now. Maybe you're not looking for that no check-in vibe. Maybe you want the stability of a company that's been around for decades. That's CrowdGen. What are they looking for? Basic tech literacy. Most of Appen's new work now flows through CrowdGen, not the old portal. Frontline reality? Expect a thorough onboarding. You can apply, get verified, then qualify for specific buckets. It takes patience, but once you're in, the variety of projects is huge. Company number 4 is Oneforma. They specialize in translation and LLM prompt evaluation. What do they look for? Strong test-taking skills. Frontline reality? Think of Oneforma like a library. The more certifications you pass, the more shelves of work open up. Now here's a pro tip. Just focus on 1 or 2 certifications a week to unlock the best tasks. Some certifications expire or need retaking if inactive for long periods. Company number 5, Outlier AI. If you want some of the highest task volumes based on project cycles we've seen this year, you need to look at this company, Outlier. They focus heavily on RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. What do they look for? Pattern recognition and strong reasoning. Frontline reality, Outlier is fantastic when it's flowing. Sometimes the guidelines can change midweek, but if you can adapt quickly, the work can be plentiful. Now here's the portfolio fillers. To keep your income steady, when one platform slows down, add these 2 to your portfolio, and don't forget that bonus extra one is coming up at the end. Bonus number 1, Vocalized or Welodata. Vocalized frequently hires search quality raters. Now here's the catch. Unlike the others, they usually require a consistent weekly schedule, typically 10 to 20 hours. It's less gig and more part-time job. Bonus number 2, LXT, focuses on data collection and image labeling. The frontline reality, LXT work is usually short, task-based projects. It's the perfect gap filler for when your main platform has a quiet week. And here's that special extra company to add to your list. They're a global platform that runs voice recording, transcription, and AI training projects, and yes, they are actively hiring in 2026. What do they look for? Clear speaking voice, ability to follow detailed recording instructions, and reliable audio quality. You don't need a studio mic, just a quiet space and consistency. Now the frontline reality, Baba Audio projects come in waves. Some weeks are busy, some are quiet. But when they open a new project, onboarding is fast and the pay is solid for short, focused tasks. It's a great add-on to your portfolio if you want variety beyond pure rating and annotation work. Now, the secret to surviving as an AI rater or data annotation worker is to treat this like a portfolio. Don't rely on just one platform. Register on multiple, take the exam seriously, and build your options so you always have a digital workspace ready to go. Links to all these companies are in the description. But before you apply, watch my video on the 5 steps you need to take before applying that are going to help you get ready. Or better yet, watch my entire playlist on my channel so you're fully prepared and have everything ready from day one. And tell me in the comments which platform you're going to apply to next. I read every single one. I'm Roger. This is AI Onboarder. Good luck in your journey, and I'll see you in the next one.